Welcome to this quick guide on applying silicone to smart film edges. This process is crucial for protecting your smart film in moisture-prone areas like bathrooms and kitchens. Start by applying painter's tape to both edges of the film and the frame. Leave a gap of about 1/16 inch or 1.6 millimeters between the tape lines. Next, carefully apply neutral cure silicone to the exposed edges. Avoid excessive application. To smooth out the silicone, use a mixture of water and baby shampoo or soap. This prevents the silicone from sticking to your fingers or gloves. Once applied, remove the tape before the silicone dries to ensure a clean edge. Thank you for watching. For more detailed instructions, please refer to our written guide.